What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, I'm back here a little bit late. Sorry about changing the time on you guys, just running a little bit behind. So today, I really wanted to talk about the pre-market Fibonacci strategy, something a little bit different, and just really teach you guys something that I've been testing and showing you the pros and cons and hopefully giving you some education. All right, so if we go back here, guys, remember at the beginning of the week, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days red. And I did say that we could probably see a dead cat bounce or just some type of bounce. It doesn't have to be a dead cat bounce. This could be a big rally, but you are expecting to see some type of green after you have so many days red, right? That's just, if you just play the color game, you can see it red, 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 green, red, 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 green. Because the concept behind it is a lot of times the market likes to punish new traders that are chasing lows, that are trying to short because they think the stock market is going to crash. All right, so what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to go ahead to the commentary here, let everybody know live on YouTube right now. Let everybody know that we're live. And then let me just go ahead to Twitter. So this is what we're using for the backup account right now, guys, TW Dairy. By all means, you don't have to follow the Twitter, but it's a good backup that we have right now. So this is what we're using. Go ahead and link that account right now, guys, TW Dairy. By all means, you don't have to follow Twitter. So let's get in and let's talk about the trading for today. I'm just going to go ahead and link. Here is the 5-minute chart, and I'm also going to go ahead and pull up the futures chart. All right. So how many of you guys trade the pre-market for today? Hit me with a 1 if you trade the pre-market. Hit me with a 2 if you don't. And I'm also gonna go ahead and what we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna really analyze some of the pre-market data here, and we're gonna compare it to the regular trading hours. Okay. So obviously, the regular trading hours starts at 9:30. You can see over here, the regular trading hours starts right here at 9:30. All right. So when we're looking at pre-market fibs and just fibs in general, what we're trying to do is we're trying to see coming into the open, right? So if we were to ignore 9:30 data, so I'm just going to go ahead here, I'll put the rectangle. What we're trying to do is we're trying to see coming into the open, right? So if we were, okay, and we can just blur this out because I can't hit the replay on this for some reason. So let's blur this out here. Oh, still can see it. But anyways, if we go like this, this is how the market is looking coming into the open. So what do we have here? We have kind of this trending direction, higher, 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 higher. Okay. We also have some of the key patterns in our indicators. We have the Nirvana with a nice winner, Holy Grail, nice winner. So we could see that price action is pretty decent. Now we go into the regular trading hour session. All right. So if we go into this session here, right here, so going into the session right here, the last leg we had going into it, is this a bullish or bearish leg? All right. So if we go into this session, hit me with a 1 right here for bullish, hit me with a 2 for bearish. So this is the last leg into the open. Going into it. Oh, sorry, echo. Sorry, guys. My bad. I'm not able to hear the echo. I'm sorry. All right. So going into the open right there, what direction is this? So this is bullish, okay? So what we can do is we can go ahead now and draw our Fibonacci from the low to the high like this, okay? And we're gonna double click and we're just gonna go ahead and put on the basic. So just look at the 618. All right, so now there's your 930 bar. Let me go ahead and extend this to the right. So extend to the right. Okay, now watch this. Okay, so there's our 618. So notice how that first candle tags the 618 exactly. Next candle tags it again. Third candle, we put in the Holy Grail pattern, guys. And that's all she wrote. Gone. See that? So what's happening here is this algorithm, this bullish algorithm in the pre-market had an order waiting on the 618, most likely right there to buy the dip if there's any pullback, because the direction that they wanted to go on the day is bullish. Okay. So hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. So what we're trying to do, what we're developing with Trading Wars right now, what we're developing is the pre-market tool. Okay. It's not 100% accurate by any means, but what it does is it gives us a little bit of insight on who's kind of in control coming into the open. Who's in control. Okay. So we can also see that overnight, right? Overnight, there's a lot of price action as well. And now we can do the same thing after hours. Okay. So here we are. We're after hours right now. So we could take our last swing low here and put our swing high right there. And we could look for 618 pullbacks. All right. That's really, really nice as well. So let me recap you the trades that we were able to take today. All right. So we were able to take that pre-market, but I want to walk you through the other trades we took as well, because we took a loser in the morning. And I just want to make sure that I let you guys know that it's not always, you don't win every single trade. Okay. So this morning, here was the previous day's high right here. The first candle came in. Oops. We popped up here and we gapped up. So what I did right off the bat here, guys, was I tried to use the opening range breakout. So with the opening range breakout, once this low right here was broken, I went for a short. So the next candle comes in, boom. So I got short right there, guys. And unfortunately, bam, turned right around. So sometimes that's going to happen. But right after that, we swapped over to the 5-minute chart and we put in this beautiful pattern. What pattern is this? So this is a part of my free indicators. So let me go ahead. Make sure you have the free indicators added, guys, because the free indicator highlights my favorite pattern. This is my favorite pattern. This is the Holy Grail. Okay. So this is an outside bar followed by an inside bar. Okay. Holy Grail. So this pattern, I really love. You can just trade this pattern by itself. It so happened that that Holy Grail also lined up on the 618, which is over here. So that made it even better, right? Because if you go to the book, you go to the Fibonacci section. Right there, you'll see what we like to trade is candlestick confirmation. Okay, so that is candlestick confirmation right there, page 48. When we have the Holy Grail lined up on the 618, guys, it doesn't get any better than that. So let me go ahead. I'll just walk you through the live. I'll walk you through the live commentary, so just you can see. So this was the opening range breakout, and I said, remember, I'm 2 pennies away from first target, keeping stop loss at high of day. I'm out, guys. So just took a loser right there, and that was totally fine. We came back right here on this fib, right here. So you can see right here, 618 filled long. All right, so this was the same Holy Grail. So let's draw it again together. So there was our low and then our push up. So we go ahead, take our Fibonacci from our low to our high like this. Okay, next candle comes in. We move the anchor up just a little bit right there. Comes down, boom. Okay, so let's stop right here for a second. And honestly speaking, is this a little bit scary to enter the trade right there? So you're entering on the 618, but it's red, right? Do you feel a little bit nervous? Hit me with a 1 if you feel a little bit nervous there. Hit me with a 2 if no. So this Fibonacci, the 618, what it is a hidden support and resistance, hidden, because you can't really see it from the naked eye. It's an algorithm, it's a percentage, 61.8% discount of the last move. That's the way I want you to think about it. It's like going to the dollar store and getting something for 10 cents. You know what I'm saying? You even beat the dollar store. Okay. So your stop loss right down here for protection, right here, wherever push up, there's your fill. Bam. Look at that. I love it. I love that. I love that so much. I love that so much because as soon as you get filled, there's a little bit of heat, but we turn around and we just shoot up. Bam, bam. You see that, guys? That's algo. That's algo. All right. Hashtag that's algo. That's what an algo feels like. Does that feel good? Hit me with the 5 if that feels good. I love those trades so much. When we get filled, sometimes it takes some heat, but then bam, 10 minutes later, bam, it's gone. That's what I love, guys. That's why I love the Fibonacci, because you're taking a chance on that pullback. But guess what? If that pullback works, it's game over. All right. So let me go ahead and I'll show you. So me and my brother right now, so my brother is posting his trades as usual here. So dairy, so you could see on that Fibonacci, that one I just drew. So you see we drew this together. Here was a 618. So what he did was he loaded up on the 618 and the 786, bam, bam. And then the next candle, $2,570 in profit. That's pretty clean money, right? And look at the duration, 9:57 to 10:06. That's what I just told you guys. Within 10 minutes, boom, okay? There's the commissions right there. Interactive brokers, the The lowest commissions with a reliable broker. It's okay to be, anyone can have low commissions, but are they reliable? They're reliable. We get filled. Okay. So check out in the description, the full futures guide. If you need help with setting up futures in the description below. Okay. So make sure you guys follow TW Dairy as well. This is what I'm using for now. It is what it is. What happens in the future, it doesn't matter because we have a strategy that works. That's all that matters at the end of the day. And when you have good strategies that work, and we're not trying to sell Joe Flow Mo, low, cold, low. We're not selling all those things, and we're not pretending. The content is good enough that it will transcend. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I want to talk about SPY. I also hit a big boy today. A nice, like about a 3,000, right? Let me find it. I'm looking at my broker on my phone. Procter and Gamble, 3 grand. Okay, so let me show you Procter and Gamble, and then we'll wrap this up. And hey, just want to let you know, I appreciate you guys, and please subscribe to the YouTube if you can. The lifetime giveaway, I'm finalizing the details on the form that you guys need to fill out. I should have that shortly. But yeah, check that out, okay? Lifetime, subscribe, leave a like. So Procter and Gamble. So let's go to the YouTube. So, some of you guys might be wondering, so like, what's the point? What's the point of subscribing to Trading Wars? Why would I want to do that? Okay, so check this out. Okay, so yesterday I posted free option picks. This was for everyone: AMD, Moderna, Disney, Pfizer. But for the Trading Wars Army, okay, so if you joined the Army, it's $5. Procter and Gamble was my hit pick. Okay, so this was my bonus pick. This is only going out to Trading Wars Army members. So all you have to do is click join. Right below the video, click join. It's $5 if you're interested. You just click it right there, join. Okay, if you're interested. You don't have to if not. So I've been posting these bonus picks for members only. So Procter and Gamble above 150.74. So let's go ahead and talk about the strategy, and I'll wrap this up. So the inside bar is the reason why we wanted to trade Procter and Gamble. Why is that? Because it creates a big box, small box strategy. Okay, and that's the new strategy that I've developed recently. So right here, here's your big box. There's the bigger range from the 2 days ago, and then here's the range from yesterday. Okay, so what we have right here is we have a box that's tightening. You see the box is getting smaller. So with that, the price action is getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And as it gets tighter, it's looking to expand. It's looking to break out. All right. So hit me with a 4 if you're following me so far. So then what do we do? Okay. Well, we want to go long above 150.74. So that's the line in the sand. So go right here. Right there. So there's our red line. We want to go long right there. So let's go. Let's watch it. Next, first candle comes in, breaks right through. Bam, bam. Outside of the box. Bam. Gone. See that? That's how you make $3,000, guys. Okay. That's the big box, small box strategy. You let the boxes contract, and then you take the breakout. Okay. And we take the breakout through a front running method. Okay. We get in really early, because if we get in really early, we can make the most money. You can see right here, that's an inside bar breakout. Very similar to this Holy Grail. You can see these inside bars lead to big moves generally. So that's why I like to trade them. See this one up here? Bam. Okay. All right. Hit me with a 5. That all makes sense. So that was my trading day. I made good money. Long on Procter and Gamble there. Long on SPY. I tried to short in the morning. It just didn't work out. And I'm just going to tell you guys something. If you have to adapt. Okay. If the price action, you try short in the morning, it doesn't work. Sometimes you have to flip. You can see how we flipped here and we went long. That's what you got to do sometimes. Okay, guys, don't be scared to flip. We're day traders. We have the ability to go long and short at the same time if we want to. And that's what gives us an edge. It's a great time to be a day trader. This is some of the best volatility we've had. Look at the price action, guys. Look at all this selling, and then look at this bullish movement. We can make money both ways, and we can beat the average return. We can beat the S&P 500. We can beat it because we're making monies on both ways. Hit me with a 10 out of 10, if that makes sense. Day trading, learn the skills, start one step at a time. Do the 100 trade challenge. Whether you're doing fibs, whether you're doing orbs, whether you're doing triggers, big box, small box, work your way up the ladder, and then eventually you'll have the full toolkit. All right. As always, guys, check me out, tradingwars.com. That's the place to be. All right. Like I said, the flash sale I did yesterday, so it's gonna go till midnight. Okay. So midnight Pacific time. So right now I'm 6:46 Pacific time. So midnight Pacific time, 3 a.m. Eastern time, this sale will be done. And I don't know when I'm going to bring it back. Okay. So instead of getting 1 month for free with any one of the books, you get 2 months. You get 60 days for free in the Discord. So what does the Discord come with? You'll see we go live every single day. See 618 fields, 786 fields, step by step, guys. We draw them out as a team because in hindsight, anybody can do trading, but in real time, there's very, very few. All right. So tradingwars.com, get that. Sign up right now if you guys want to be in. Lotto Friday is around the corner. This is a good time to get in while we have this big volatility. All right. So it's going to go till midnight. So you can get any one of the 3 books. The SPY book focuses on a lot of orbs, triggers, and the Fib book is strictly Fibonacci. Very, very powerful Fibonacci style trading. Or you can sign up right here on the main page. All right. Remember, with the purchase of the book, you get the Nirvana and Golden premium indicators for life. So what does that look like? So this Nirvana indicator, you'll get this premium for life. You can send an alert to your phone or to your email at 7:25 when this Nirvana hits. It can automatically go to your phone or your email so you're aware. And you can also program a robot to trade it. All right. You can actually do it. You can actually do it. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you guys. I hope you learned something. So that, again, that was how you use the pre-market fib. Figure out the direction that we're going before we get in to the trading day, and you can use that for the pullbacks that you can get in. Sometimes you could even get in before the open. If this order fills at 9:15, you can be in before the open as well, and that is definitely an edge. Leave blank. Welcome to the army, brother. Jordan, welcome to the army. I appreciate you guys. Look out for the picks. I'll be posting them right after this. I will see you guys again tomorrow. We'll continue to make money every day, baby. That's what we're trying to do. Make as much as we can while the volatility is here. All right. Take care and have a good night.